Hello friends, this is operator precedence table. Okay, so I have given the operators based on the highest, from highest to the lowest. All these operators from here, okay, so if you can see, they are evaluated from left to right, okay, except for the assignment operator. Assignment operator is evaluated from right to left, except rest everything is evaluated from left to right. And these are all the precedents. It means that highest to lowest. What does it mean? That in case if I am having star and plus in an expression, say I am having x plus y into z. So when I have this kind of expression, the first preference will be given to star, because this is having higher precedence than plus. So first y into z will be evaluated, and then the result will be r, and then x will be having plus with the result of y into z. So this is how the operators will be evaluated. And also, for example, in some cases I will be having operators which are having same precedence. Say I am having x plus y plus z, okay, or minus z, x plus y minus z. So wherein plus and minus, these two are having the same precedence. In that cases, if any expression is having operators which are having same precedence, then the evaluation will happen from left to right. So first x plus y will happen, and then the result will be subtracted from z. So these are some of the rules that you have to follow while framing your expression. Let us take an example of this expression. Okay, so according to this expression, plus is having higher precedence than right shift. Okay, so first plus will be executed, and then right shift will be executed. So meaning that first b plus 7 will execute, and then some value you will get, and then that the a will be right shifted based on this particular value. So, but you wanted to actually have your own kind of result and your own kind of values to have operations to happen first. So you can do that ordering with the help of parentheses. Say I want this shift to happen first, and then I want the addition to happen. So I can rewrite this by using parentheses. Like I can say shift it by number b, and then I am saying add it to number 7. Okay, so what I have done here is I have changed the order of the operators evaluations based on my requirement, and I am actually forcing this expression to give the output that I wanted. Okay, so that's what I am doing with parentheses over here. And in another use of parentheses is that, say I am having a very complex expression like this, and this is very hard to understand. Even if you write it in your code, it will be very hard for you to understand after 2 days. Okay, so you can use parentheses to actually increase the readability of this particular expression. And remember that by adding parentheses, your code execution, the time complexity will not affect. Okay, so it will not affect. So you can add how many ever parentheses that you want in your expressions. Okay, say I want this 5 plus c to execute first, so I can put it like this, and then I want the shift operation to take place, then I can put it in this manner, and then I want the AND to take place, so I can put this like this, and then if I want the OR to happen, I can put it like this. See, the readability of this expression has increased so much that even if you see the code after 10 days, you will be able to understand this. Okay, so that is all about operator precedence and the use of parentheses in the expressions, my friends. Hope this video is helpful to you. Stay home, stay safe, happy learning. Bye.